Is the wait finally over? For months, we've been tracking the rumors, the patent filings, and the whispers, but now it's officially real. The Insta360 X6 has just cleared FCC certification, marking the final regulatory hurdle before it lands in our hands. If you've been holding off on upgrading your camera, this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're breaking down the leaked specs, the expected price, and why the X6 might just be the camera that resets the standard for 360-degree storytelling in 2026. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer. While the FCC filing is 100% official, the juicy details on sensors and frame rates are still based on high-confidence leaks. Until Insta360 hosts their official event, treat these as pre-launch data. That said, with the FCC green light on July 3rd, 2026, we are officially in the any day now window. Let's talk about what makes this successor so special. First up, the design. If the leaked marketing images hold true, Insta360 is moving away from the tall, elongated housing we've seen for years. The X6 looks shorter, more compact, and honestly, a lot more like a traditional action camera. This is huge for stabilization. By bringing those two lenses slightly closer together, we're looking at better stitching, less bulk on your selfie stick, and a design that feels more pocketable for travel. It still looks to be rocking that rugged, waterproof build, but with cleaner lines and a potential redesign of the buttons for better tactile feedback. Now let's talk specs. The headline feature? We're looking at 8K recording at 60 frames per second. That's double the frame rate ceiling of the X5's 30 frames per second. But it's not just about resolution, it's about the sensor. Leaks point to a massive 1/1.1-inch sensor, which is a major jump in surface area. This means significantly better low-light performance, the holy grail for 360 creators. Combine that with 10-bit color, improved HDR, and over 100 megapixel stills, and you have a powerhouse that's actually capable of professional-grade color grading. Powering all this is a beefier 2,600 to 3,000 mAh battery. We know 8K eats power for breakfast, so this capacity boost is essential to keep you shooting all day. Plus, with Insta360's track record, expect a massive injection of AI-driven features. We're talking next-gen subject tracking, faster reframing tools in the app, and pure video modes that should clean up your night shots right in camera. It's all about making the post-production workflow faster, so you can spend less time editing and more time filming. So, the million-dollar question, how much? Expected pricing for the standard bundle is sitting between $549 and $599, with the European base model estimated around €689. As for the launch, following their historical pattern, where they usually announce 4 to 8 weeks after FCC approval, all signs point to a late August to mid-September 2026 release. It's the perfect time to drop for the fall travel season. How does this stack up? If you're an X5 user, you're getting a significant jump in low-light capability and that silky, smooth 8K 60. Compared to the DJI Osmo 360, the X6 seems to be directly countering DJI's compact form factor while leaning into Insta360's superior software ecosystem. While the DJI is portable, the X6's hardware specs on paper, especially the sensor size, might just give it the edge in pure image quality. My take: if you have a trip planned right now, don't wait. The X5 is still an absolute beast. But if you're a professional who needs every bit of extra dynamic range, better low-light performance, and that 8K 60 headroom, waiting for the X6 is going to be well worth those extra few weeks. I'll be the first to unbox the official unit the moment it drops, so make sure you're subscribed. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to upgrade from your X5, or is your current camera still doing the job for you? What's the one must-have feature that would make you buy the X6 on day one? Drop your comments below, and let's discuss. See you in the next one.